Okay, on this video, we're going to go through some basics of simplifying radicals, or otherwise known as square roots. So we're going to start with a very simple one, which is square root of 4. Well, as you know, 2 squared is equal to 4. Therefore, if you take out a square root of 4, it's going to be equal to 2. Now let's take that one step further, and we'll separate that. And we'll simplify a square root of 12. Well, the very first step is we need to determine a factor that's square rootable. So the most obvious one would be 4 times 3, because 4 times 3 gives us 12. And we'll take these radicals out separately, so square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 3. And as we know from the previous example, square root of 4 is equal to 2 multiplied by square root of 3. Therefore, the simplified radical of 12 is 2 square root of 3. Now let's take this another step further. Say you're asked to simplify the square root of 48. Well, as you know, the most easiest one to take out is 4 times 12. If we take that out separately, we have square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 12. And square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 12. And we also know from the previous example that 12 has a factor of 4 times 3. And again, we'll take the square root of 4 times square root of 3. And square root of 4 is equal to 2 times square root of 3. And 2 times 2 gives us 4 square root of 3. And that's how we simplify the square root of 48. And remember, this is not the only way to simplify the square root of 48. Another possible way is 48 is also divisible by 16. So 16 times 3 gives us 48. And we'll take the square root of 16 multiplied by square root of 3. And we know that square root of 16 is equal to 4 times square root of 3. And we also come to the same answer as the previous example. Okay? And that's the basics of simplifying radicals.